Jowuoth buora omoko e apaya maduong' ma Garissa kochomo Mwingi e gwenge Matula bang' bas manoriko gi idho pi ywero kaluwore gi koth mapek mosebedo ka chwe chakre odiechieng' manyoro. Basno ne riko wuok e kaunti ma Wajir e kinde mane oula mapek oyude e apayano kendo ywere oko. Kata kamano, nyaka sechegi jowuoth duto manoidho basno oseresi ka jowuoth mamine, nyithindo kod jogo matuo ema nomi thuolo mokwongo kaniresogi. Chenro mar reso jowuoth mamoko ma okwamo e oulano pod dhi mbele kaluwore ni oulano nobaro apaya e olalo Matula e kaunti ma Tana River.
Na ituangalie kwa vile imekula kila wakati, mvua ikinyesha shida ni hii. Garissa saa hii hata hora tunategemea hii barabara, na kutegemea sasa imekatika kabisa hapa, na pale nyingine inaitwa Tura.
Imetoka saidi ya Garissa kufika Aro nikakuta barabara imekatika. Tuko na hasara kubwa juu hatuna mbele wala nyuma. Hakuna kwenda mbele, hakuna kurudi nyuma.
Nimetoka Garissa na niko na mzigo ya kwenda Kampala ambayo ni melon. Melon inaharibika kwa haraka sana. Hapa barabara naona imekatika na sijui usaidizi tutapata wapi.
Yesterday at around 11:30 hours, a bus belonging to Umma company that was plying between Wajir and Nairobi left Garissa at night, but unfortunately reaching at this place of Arer, they found a flooded section of the road that has been previously carried off, washed off by floods. So the bus, as you can see, was washed off by the front. It had 51 passengers. All of them have been rescued. As for now, we have Red Cross with us.